Hello, it's time for a new set. I'm going to be using some acrylics, some really pretty colors. I've been dying to use these for a while. I have already applied my tips and done all my prep, and I went in with a thin layer of clear acrylic on each nail. And I'm going to start off with this glitter acrylic. This is from CJP. It is called Saucery, and it is a purple glitter. It has fine purple glitter for the base, and then it has a bunch of chunky purple glitter, and that glitter reflects a bunch of colors, some greens, some gold, and mostly this pinkish peach coral color. It's so pretty. Like, as pretty as it is on camera, it's even prettier in person. So every time it hits the light, every little movement, the color changes on there. It's just really stunning acrylic. So I'm doing a full nail of that on the thumb, and since it is a glitter acrylic, it has to be capped. So after I cover the whole nail in that, I'm going to cap the whole nail in clear acrylic. Now moving on to the index finger, and on that nail I am taking this nude acrylic. It is called Obsession, and it's a pink, I guess you'll call it a cover pink, and I'm applying that to the nail bed, and then I'm just going to form a smile line around there, and then take my nail file and just clean it up after it sets. Now that I have my smile line set, I'm taking this color. It's called Heat Wave, and it's this really pretty coral color. It's actually really, really bright. It looks a little muted on camera compared to how it really is. It's so bright, it almost looks kind of neon, but it's a really pretty color. And I'm just gonna fill out the rest of the tip of the nail with that, and then also all around that smile line. I'm going to let that set and then move over to the middle finger and just do a full nail of Heat Wave. Now I'm going back to the index finger, and I'm going to cover that Heat Wave acrylic with a thin layer of the Saucery acrylic. I went back and added some more of the heat wave to the smile line because I wanted it to kind of poke out from the glitter. And then I went and capped all that glitter acrylic in clear acrylic. Now I'm going over to the ring finger, and that's going to be a full nail of the Saucery acrylic. And then once that's done, I had to cap it in clear acrylic. On the pinky, I'm going back in with heat wave, and I'm just applying that to the lower half of that nail all the way down to the tip. And then the base of the nail, I'm leaving that open because I'm gonna apply the Saucery acrylic at the top, and then just spread that out and fade that out towards the tip of that nail, and then cap the whole nail in clear acrylic. After filing and shaping, I added a couple Swarovski crystals and of course top coat. Alright, this is the finished set. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.